The Iran war is not just spiking petrol prices, it is now coming for India's gas supplies. Your CNG and home gas bills are about to explode. Welcome to day 24 of 100 days of sector snippets. So here's what happened. The Strait of Hormuz, a narrow shipping lane through which most of West Asia's oil and gas moves, is basically shut. Iran has threatened to fire any ship that tries to move through that lane. Hundreds of tankers are just sitting there waiting. Oil and gas prices have already spiked globally. But that is only half the problem. The other half is worse. Qatar, which supplies 20% of the world's LNG and is India's single largest gas supplier, has announced that it is halting production because Iran has directly attacked its energy infrastructure. So we've lost the route and the supplier at the same time. Here's why this hits India hard. We only produce about half the natural gas we use domestically. The other half we import, and a bulk of that comes from Qatar. That supply is now gone. The company that manages all of this import is Petronet LNG. Think of it as the gatekeeper for India's gas supply. LNG comes from Qatar, Petronet receives it, converts it back from liquid to gas, then sells it downstream to GAIL, Indian Oil, BPCL, who then further sell it to industries, factories, city gas companies across the country. Now, Petronet has issued a force majeure notice to all of its buyers. Basically, it is saying we cannot supply you gas because this is beyond our control. And that signal is moving through the entire supply chain. Industrial users, fertilizer plants, power plants, steel units, glass, ceramics, all of them are seeing their gas supplies cut by 10 to 30% already. Some of them can switch to alternate fuels, but at a much higher cost, which is going to squeeze their margins. And then there is the city gas sectors, your IGL, Gujarat Gas, Adani Total Gas. They supply CNG to vehicles and piped gas to homes and small businesses. The problem is, under Qatar's long-term contracts, we were getting gas at roughly $10 per unit. But now the spot rate is $25 to $30 per unit. That's 3x. Now CNG only works because it's much cheaper than petrol and diesel. Break that math and your bills go up. There is no easy fix for this overnight. We do have some inventory, but for how long? This does not look like a short war. The gas supplies are already being cut, and we don't know how many sectors is it going to start hitting or how deep it goes. Seems like the war has many casualties far beyond the war zones. For more sector snippets, don't forget to follow Markets with Aditi.